Day 2 at DIMDEX 2018. Today we are back at Hamad Port to take a closer look at some of the visiting vessels. First, let's get aboard the Carlo Margottini, an anti-submarine warfare FREMM frigate of the Italian Navy. Let's get aboard!
I'm Commander Giuseppe Lai. I'm the commanding officer of ITS Margottini since last 26th of September 2017. This ship is a frigate, part of the French and Italian project for a multi-mission frigate called FREMM, European Multi-Mission Frigate. Today we are in Qatar to take part to DIMDEX at its 6th edition, but also for the cooperation with partners and allies in the area. This presence is part of a broad campaign. It is a period of deployment in this area of the Indian Ocean and the Arab Gulf for cooperation with allies and partners.
Good morning, Captain Dario Leccese, Italian Navy Liaison Officer with the Qatari Marine Naval Forces. With the Qatari Navy, we have signed several technical arrangements to enhance the cooperation under the umbrella of a memorandum of understanding that was signed in 2010. And the most recent technical arrangements are related to the support provided to the Qatari Marine Naval Forces in education and training, in particular for the crew of the 7 ships that they recently purchased by Fincantieri. In this field, we will provide initial education, training, professional training, operational training. Apart of this, there is also the possibility to exchange people on board of our ships and to arrange joint exercises like the one that we will start shortly on the 15th.
Welcome aboard INS Kolkata, the largest and most powerful class of destroyers ever built in India. Successor to the Project 15 Delhi class, Project 15A class comprises 3 ships, Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai, and are the first stealth destroyers built in India. These ships have been conceived and designed by Indian Navy's Directorate of Naval Design and built by Mazagon Dock Limited in Mumbai. The ship's main air defense armament comprises 4 vertical launch systems for long-range surface-to-air missiles coupled with the multifunction active phased array radar, the MF Star. Other weapons on board include the CET-65E heavyweight torpedoes fired through 4 indigenous twin-tube torpedo launchers and indigenous rocket launchers for anti-submarine warfare. INS Kolkata is fitted with 16 vertical launch systems for BrahMos missile. The BrahMos is a surface-to-surface hypersonic cruise missile. A 76mm main gun and 4 AK-630 close-range guns are provided for surface and anti-air warfare. The vessel has an overall length of 164 meters, displaces about 7,500 tons and is capable of achieving a speed in excess of 30 knots. We are now aboard USS Sampson, a Flight 2 Alpha Burke-class destroyer of the US Navy.
And my name is Lieutenant Jeremy Mears. I'm the Combat Systems Officer on board USS Sampson, DDG 102. We are home ported out of Everett, Washington. We have a crew complement of about 300 full-time sailors on board that it gets augmented with our air det that comes on board anytime that we deploy. We are a Flight 2 Alpha DDG, So we're capable of embarking a helo det while we do deploy. Usually we can carry 2 helos of the MH-60 Romeos, providing both surface and subsurface capabilities with those assets. We are a Flight 2 Alpha, so we do a variety of missions, everything from surface warfare to strike warfare to underwater warfare as well.
Next, let's find out about the Mark 6 patrol boat of the US Navy.
Good afternoon, I'm Lieutenant Peter Bew. I am the Mark 6 Patrol Officer. So the Mark 6 is one of the most capable platforms the U.S. Navy has right now. She's brand new, but some of her mission sets are maritime infrastructure protection, critical infrastructure protection, high-value asset escorting, supporting intel sailors, supporting VBSS teams, and things of that nature. She's still new, so as of right now, they're still developing the primary mission sets of the Mark 6. The Mark 6, she's 85 feet in length. Her draft is 4 feet. Her legs, we can go up to 500 nautical miles on a single gas tank. If needed, we can refuel and replenish at sea. And she is capable of going over 40 knots, depending upon the sea state.